Thank you for purchasing the Allure Folding Shower Chair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Allure Folding Shower Chair should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut any tape to open the box. Please take care to avoid scratching the product inside. Once you have opened the box, lift out and set aside the main chair frame as well as the legs. Packaged with your chair, you should find a set of printed instructions. Please keep hold of these as they contain useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your product. Remove any excess packaging on the legs or chair frame to begin assembly. Open up the folded chair frame and leave it tilted on its side. Slot the plastic connectors halfway down the swinging arm frames onto the seat frame. You'll hear this click into place. Please be mindful of the swinging arm frames when using the product. Now it's time to attach the legs. With the seat tilted on its back, slide the legs with the caster wheels onto the seat frame. Use the push pins in the holes on the legs to secure the legs to the frame. You can use the holes on the side of the legs to find your desired seat height. Please ensure the legs are at an equal height to stop the chair from wobbling. Two of the legs come with locking foot brakes. We advise that you put both of these legs onto the rear of the chair so that an attendant can more easily apply the brakes. Your Allure shower chair is now fully assembled and ready to use around the bathroom. Please keep hold of the printed instructions as well as any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Allure Folding Shower Chair or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.